install the RPA agent on a Mac. Download the installer file based on your system's architecture. Then, double-click the downloaded file and move it to your Applications folder. Next, you'll be prompted to register your RPA agent. Just copy the installation key from your web browser and paste it into this UI to register the agent. Then give it an appropriate name and click Register. Now your agent is successfully registered. Switch back to the browser window to complete the setup. Review the agent details and then click Done. And that's all you have to do. You've successfully created and registered your Mac RPA agent.